In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Microsoft Teams effectively for your team collaborations. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just looking to refine your skills, this walkthrough will guide you through its key features and functionalities. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Microsoft Teams. Once there, sign in using your account credentials. This first step is your gateway to a host of collaborative tools designed to boost efficiency and enable smooth communication for your team. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, select a channel. Channels are great for focused discussions or projects. They help keep conversations organized and ensure everyone involved in specific topics or tasks is on the same page. Within these channels, one of the primary things you can do is make posts. This function allows you to initiate discussions, ask questions, or share insights with your team members. It's an essential feature for ongoing and dynamic communication within your team. Next, let's explore the Files tab, which is integral for managing documents within your team. Here you can upload, share, and download files. This facilitates seamless collaboration by ensuring that everyone has access to the necessary documents and resources. It's like having a virtual filing cabinet that keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Then, move on to the Notes tab. This feature allows you to jot down important information, ideas, or meeting minutes. It's a digital notebook, perfect for keeping track of thoughts and plans directly linked to your team's activities. If your team uses additional apps or services, you can enhance your team's experience even further. By clicking the plus icon, you can add a tab that integrates these apps into your channel. This flexible option lets you tailor your Microsoft Teams interface to exactly what your team needs. Once you've set everything up, it's advisable to give your screen some cleanup. Located on the right, you'll find options to hide conversations. This helps in maintaining a clutter-free workspace and allows you to focus on what's most important. Now let's look at scheduling and hosting meetings. You have the option to create meetings, either audio or video. This feature is indispensable for real-time communication and feedback, making remote teamwork more effective. As you dive deeper, check out the More Channel options. This menu gives you additional configuration possibilities to suit your team's specific requirements. Finally, don't forget the three dots, which are packed with additional options for your channel. These settings enable you to customize and control the access and functionality of your channels further. With these steps, you are now equipped to utilize Microsoft Teams confidently to enhance collaboration and productivity within your team. Enjoy exploring and making the most out of these powerful tools.